Did I miss anything?
You can do it, come on. Keep walking, you're almost there. You got it, girl. No, don't take your hand off. Woohoo! Shelby. She's just gonna fall off the porch. You made it over, she's gonna fall off. Hey, look, Shelby, you dug it in. So it ain't gonna do that no more. Oh, thanks.
Having fun?
Here you go.
No, I ain't doing
Now
that.
swing now.
I'm not swinging.
You're swinging.
Swing!
I'm not swinging.
If I have, do I have to push you again? Fuck away from me. Get over there with Father. Shelby, if I can swing with 2 vines in each one, I can swing with a vine in each hand. I may even do it with just that one.
Piss me off.
She's mad.
What is she doing?
Get her helmet.
I'm working. You're going down that edge. You're going to slip.
She needs a helmet.
Both hands. There you go.
Big, pretty pink one. It looks like a football helmet. It's a helmet.
I got a helmet, but
Go get it.
it's a little helmet.
Oh. She's a little.
She ain't gonna wear it. Shelby,
Yeah.
you want me to go get my helmet?
Why would you want to do that?
That way if you
So you
fall.
can swing?
That way if you fall, you got.
Oh, thanks for the support.
You're welcome.
I am thinking of your safety.
Safety of walking across a tree over a creek.
When falling on all that junk down there, it's probably disease and contamination.
If she falls, she's gonna fall right there with all those sticks.
Thing's falling again.
Holy crap, you took another step, you